Today on the job site, we're supporting MC installed between boxes overhead. The NEC has specific standards for where these boxes need to be supported, so we're going to identify the right support locations for a couple different scenarios. Okay, box diagrams are drawn on the floor to show the correct installation locations. I've already confirmed that they match the work assignment, but let's get you oriented to the plan. Point at the box diagram on the floor and press the trigger. Right. This indicates there should be a box on the ceiling directly above the diagram. Look up and point out the box on the ceiling. Yep, there it is. Now, look to your right. See the second box diagram drawn on the floor down the hall? And there's the box installed above it. We'll be installing cable for circuit 4 between these boxes today. At most job sites, you'd use a ladder to reach overhead boxes. So, to prevent injury, you'd need to clear any obstructions near the base. For now, we're working with a lowered demo ceiling. Check it out. I already stripped the sheathing and inserted the bushing on this cable. Now just let me install it in the first box. Ready to go. Now you install the supports. You're going to use bat wings to attach MC cable to threaded rods overhead for support. Pick up the bat wing from the table. Let me show you how it works. See how I laid the MC perpendicular across the rod? Now I'm going to position the bat wing at the cross point. Squeeze the ends and fit it around both the MC and the rod. Then release. You try. Press and hold the trigger to squeeze the bat wing. Now position the bat wing on the MC right where mine is and release. Perfect. That's how we'll attach all the supports today. Here's another bat wing. Grab it. According to the NEC, MC must be supported within 12 inches of each overhead device box. We'll install our bat wing on the rod 12 inches above the box. I'll hold the MC in place. Attach the bat wing where the cable intersects with the rod. I'm highlighting it. You got it. The MC is supported vertically according to code. Grab the bat wing. I've got the MC again. Attach the bat wing where the cable intersects with the rod. I'm highlighting it. You've got this. Let me just prep this end of the cable. Get the connector. Install. And label it. That's that. I'll put the rest of the cable away. Grab the bat wing. I'm grabbing the MC. Attach the bat wing where the cable intersects with the rod. Yeah! After any installation, both the customer and your supervisor will do an inspection and prepare a punch list, which includes any issues that violate code or do not conform to the contract. We've got to make sure the MC does not touch anything listed on this list. I'm just going to look it over. Okay. Yep. All good there. And that too. Hey, looks good. No issues. Great job with this installation. Okay, let's go through a different scenario. I've confirmed the layout matches the assignment, so let's head over and take a look. Outstanding! That's where we'll install the rods. We need a bat wing on this rod within 12 inches of the device box. Grab the bat wing. I'll hold the MC in place above the box. Attach the bat wing where the cable intersects with the rod. I'm highlighting it. You got it. The MC is supported vertically according to code. Let's install the next one. Point at the arrow underneath the rod and press the trigger. Okay, let me just install the end of the cable in the box. I'll put the rest of the cable away. Grab the bat wing. Attach the bat wing where the cable intersects with the rod. That's all of them. Hey, looks good. No issues. Great job with this installation. Congratulations! You just earned a gold medal. Grab it to unlock it.